Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing good. We're all good here as well. Please do stay safe and take care of your health. Get vaccinated soon. And yes, so this is an unboxing video of Try Something New which I bought in Smytten app. This is my own video which I wanted to share with you when I bought this. So this is not a promotion video or any kind of product video. So just a review. So the pouch, the blue pouch, they have given it as a compliment. So this is a compliment given by first trial of their products. And yeah, so next is a combination of few skincare products. The first one is Vitamin C Mama Earth face wash, and the next is caffeine, which is an energized coffee face wash. So the other one is rose water, VLCC product. And the remaining. So these natural infusion product, which is a hair mask which you can apply before you wash your hair, and another Mama Earth product which is a sleeping mask, vitamin C, onion shampoo, oil free face moisturizer which is an apple cider flavor. So these are the products which I bought for a first trial in Smytten app. And in the first trial of your Smytten app trial, you have to pay around $199 for your for the products which you are going to buy as a member or as an account holder of Smytten app. So once you pay that, you will be able to try out products which are around a combination of products which are about 6 products. So I have tried out 6 products here. Mama Earth Vitamin C, these are skincare products, vitamin C face wash, vitamin C sleeping mask, and onion shampoo, oil free face moisturizer. So I would like to keep all these skincare and hair care products in my single complimented pouch. I would love to tell you the review of how these products apply and get well with my skin or hair. I'll update a video on the review of these products soon. After I bought that, I was just planning to how to apply them and schedule and use them accordingly. This is a pure, self-experiencing video on unboxing a Smytten app product. We'll love to meet you back again with another interesting video. Please do give a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you all. Bye-bye.